Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you will be fine at your home. Today we are going to start lesson 3 of your EVS book. The name of the lesson is Clothes We Wear. Clothes we wear. Now spell C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Students, you all know we are wearing clothes and we are wearing different types of clothes. Before starting the chapters, I have few drawings for you. You draw these drawings in your drawing copy and color it nicely. See here. This is frock, shorts, skirt, t-shirt, sweater, woolen cap, socks, hand gloves, umbrella, raincoat and gumboots. Again I am telling you, you draw all the pictures in your drawing book and color it nicely. Now have you noticed something? These are different type of clothes and we wear these clothes in different season. These type of clothes, frock, shorts, skirt, t-shirts, we wear in summer season. Sweater, woolen cap, socks and hand gloves we wear in winter season. And in rainy season we use umbrella, raincoat and gum boots. It means we wear different type of clothes in different seasons. Now you all know that we wear clothes. But a question arises in my mind that why we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, rain and from insects bite. We wear clothes, our body is very sensitive. Our body is very sensitive. Therefore, to protect our body from heat, cold, rain and insects bite, we wear clothes. Now, different type of clothes. In this chapter, we study 4 types of clothes. Our first type is cotton clothes. Students, when we wear cotton clothes, we wear cotton clothes in summer season. Now, there is summer season. Types of clothes. Types of clothes. First is cotton clothes. Cotton clothes are formed of cotton. I show some cotton. Students, this is cotton. You all have seen it. These cotton clothes are formed from this cotton. Then where do we get this cotton? We get cotton from cotton plant. We get cotton from cotton plant. From this cotton plant, we get cotton balls. Then this cotton balls is converted into, or we form cotton threads from this cotton balls. From these cotton threads, we make cotton, and from this cotton we make cotton clothes. Like this, we get cotton from cotton clothes. Sorry, cotton from cotton plants. Okay. Now, why we wear cotton clothes in summer season? We wear cotton clothes in summer season because it absorbs sweat. Because it absorbs sweat easily and keep our body cool in hot summers. It absorbs sweat easily. Therefore, we wear cotton clothes in summer season. Now we come to our second point, woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. When we wear woolen clothes, we wear woolen clothes in winter season. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. Woolen clothes are caps, shorts, sweaters, jackets, hand gloves. All these are woolen clothes. And we wear woolen clothes in winter season. Now, I show some wool also. Students, this is wool. This is wool. And woolen clothes are formed from this wool only. From where do we get wool? We get wool from hairs of the sheep. We get wool from the hairs of the sheep, and then it is spun into yarn, and from yarn we get wool, and from wool we get woolen clothes. See again, we get wool from the hairs of the sheep, and it is spun into yarn, and from yarn we get wool, and from wool we form woolen clothes. Now, why we wear woolen clothes in winter season? We wear woolen clothes in winter season because it keeps our body warm in cold winters. Now we have studied two types of clothes, cotton clothes and woolen clothes. In next video, we will continue the chapter.